In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a saved search on Zillow desktop. If you've ever dialed in the perfect set of filters, location, price, bedrooms, and bathrooms, and wanted to show someone else exactly what you're seeing, this quick method uses nothing more than your browser link. Start by heading to Zillow.com on your desktop browser and sign in to your account. Being signed in helps you access your saved search and ensures your filters load correctly. Next, run the search you saved. You can open the saved search from your account or simply reapply the same filters you used before, like neighborhood, price range, beds and baths, and any other options such as home type or year built. Give the page a second to finish loading and make sure the results reflect what you expect. The filters you've chosen, along with the map area and zoom level, are usually encoded directly into the page's web address. Now, look up at your browser's address bar. Click once to highlight the full URL, then copy it. That long link is the key. It contains the filters for your search. If you adjust your criteria and see the page refresh, the link will update too, so copy it after the results settle. For best results, copy the entire link and avoid shortening it, because truncating the URL can strip out the details of your search. Share that link however you like. Paste it into an email, a text message, or a chat. When your friend or client opens it, they'll land on Zillow with the same filtered results you set up, as long as those criteria are part of the URL. Keep in mind that listings are live and change over time, so availability and ranking may shift, but the filters themselves will match. The person you share it with does not need to be signed in to Zillow for basic viewing. They can scroll, click into listings, and explore the area without an account. The only time sign-in matters is if the search includes saved search alerts or notification settings, which are tied to your profile and won't transfer through the link. A couple of quick tips before you go. If the recipient says the results look different, confirm they opened the full link and that their app or messaging service didn't cut it off. Also remember that map position is part of the URL, so zoom or pan to the area you want before copying. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and effective.